Relationships that you have lost, my God is bringing them back to your life. Resources that you lost in bad investments, monies that went away through carelessness, by mercy God is routing them back to your life. Kairos opportunities that you lost because you could not discern, my God is restoring it back to your life. In the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. Prayer number 3. We'll be seated shortly, but I want you to stand. Jeremiah 33 and verse 6. Behold, I will bring it health and cure, and I will cure them, and I will reveal unto them the abundance of peace and